Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the drive letter for a USB device. Now if I go down here and right click on this, it says eject USB storage, and underneath it in gray lettering it says USB drive D. So it's drive letter D, and I'm going to show you guys how to change that drive letter. So I'm going to right click on command prompt and go to run as administrator, select yes. Now you're going to type disk, D-I-S-K, part, P-A-R-T, and press enter. Now type list, L-I-S-T, space, volume, V-O-L-U-M-E, and press enter. Now you're going to type select, S-E-L-E-C-T, space, volume, V-O-L-U-M-E, space, 3, which is letter D, and press enter. Now type assign, A-S-S-I-G-N, space, letter, L-E-T-T-E-R, space, and I'm going to put capital F and press enter. And as you can see, as soon as I do that, it automatically changes it to USB drive F. And if I go down here, now it says USB drive F. To get out of command prompt, you're going to type exit, E-X-I-T, and press enter. And then you're going to type exit again, E-X-I-T, and press enter. There we go. Now it's closed. So that is how you change the drive letter for a USB device.